Hey everybody, Dino Banjurno from EXtendTech here once again. This time around, we're doing a little eXtendFiles how-to. So one of the key features of our eXtendFiles cloud storage integration suite app is the ability to enable records within NetSuite for public upload. So what does that mean? How do people use that? Well, you could think of it as an FTP replacement. It's scenarios where you need to collect files from external parties, such as your customers, your vendors, partners. And what we do is we can enable that capability on any record within NetSuite, whether they be transactions, entities, items, you name it. So how does that look exactly? Well, let's jump into the context of a customer and I'll show you a little bit. So on this customer, under the eXtendFiles subtab, you'll notice I have enabled this record for public upload by setting a checkbox. And as a result, I've generated a public upload link. That public upload link, I can then use that to embed in my NetSuite email templates to collect files from my customers very easily. How can I do that? Well, let me show you a couple simple native NetSuite workflows I can enable to make that happen. So first and foremost, I've created a custom button via NetSuite workflow here to request a tax-exempt certificate. When that button is executed, it will send out a templated email. So just to show you a little bit what that looks like, very simple, basic workflow, creating the button, sending out the templated email. In that template will be that public URL link to collect the file from the customer. The second workflow that I'll have at play here is actually going to set the document classification or file type, if you will. That is part of the eXtendFiles feature, is that document management-like capability. So on this customer right now, I'm going to be looking to collect a tax-exempt certificate. You'll notice down in the sublist area right now, I do not have any files here. I've got the file types filtered, and I do not have any records to show as of now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and straight away trigger that custom workflow action to send out that templated email. Embedded in that email template, as I said, is that link to the public upload URL. So here's the email communication. We'll view it. Recipient opens it, sees that we're requesting the tax-exempt certificate. They click the link. This will render them their tailored page to which they can upload their file. So in this case, Illinois State University takes this, uploads their sales tax exempt certificate. The file is pushed directly into your cloud storage and is automatically associated and linked back to this record. So if I were to go ahead and come into this eXtendFiles tab now, you'll notice down here, I have a tax exempt certificate that was just uploaded and landed in my system, and it's been classified accordingly. Very simple, streamlined automations that you can apply with some simple workflows and further leverage our eXtendFiles cloud storage suite app. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If you have, I strongly encourage you to subscribe to our blogs, follow us on social media, and learn more about the ways that our cloud storage integration is helping people take advantage and enable automations within their NetSuite environment. Thanks again for watching.